Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. Whether you are logged out of your account or just can't remember the password, fixing this issue is simpler than you think. In this video, I will walk you through these steps so you can get back online and start chatting with your friends in no time. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart your router, and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With that, your problem might be fixed. Next up, what you want to do is head over to your Google browser or any browser that you are using to log into Discord. Click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option Manage Your Account. Now head over to the section Security. Now scrolling down, you're going to find this section of Password Manager. After you find it, click on the option Manage Passwords. With that, you'll be directed to the page where you're going to find different website links along with the password. From that list, find the option of Discord and check the password. In the case you haven't saved the password in the browser, what you can do is reset Discord account's password. For that, launch your Discord app, navigate to the option Login. Now go ahead and type in the email address that is linked with your Discord account. Then click on the option Forget Your Password. Click on Confirm. Now you will be receiving verification code or the reset mail in your email address that you have just entered. You can go ahead and check your mail and open the mail from the Discord and reset your password. With that, your problem will be fixed. So, this way you can easily fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.